What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and here is my LG Wing, and this wing has a glass screen protector on it, but as you see, this particular screen protector does not play nice with the fingerprint sensor. I already did a video on the Super Shield's glass screen protector, and in that video you saw that I did adjust the sensitivity a bit to help out with reading the fingerprint. You can actually press the buttons just fine as you see, but this glass screen protector is not fingerprint sensor friendly. Here's my other LG Wing, and I plan to put a screen protector on it. This time it won't be a glass screen protector. It will be a flexible TPU screen protector from UniqueMe. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
I decided to go ahead and give UniqueMe a try. I've never tried them before. This is a TPU soft screen protector, so it is not a glass screen protector. Now, I prefer TPU screen protectors over tempered glass screen protectors any day. And I absolutely prefer matte screen protectors over clear screen protectors. And unfortunately, with this case, only clear was available. If you are interested in this particular screen protector, go ahead and purchase it off of Amazon for $10. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features regarding this screen protector: HD screen, eye protection, dust prevention, fingerprint reduction, high response touch. An offer for a free gift. Installation video instructions, so take a look and scan that. You have the screen protector, so this is a little different. As you see, paste start line, whatever that is, you get two of those. A card to get the bubbles out. And bumpers to help keep the device in place while you're installing the screen protector. Start with a wet wipe and clean your screen. Use two to dry the screen off. Peel back tab 1 to remove the first layer. It will be a stickiness. This side you'll place on the screen. Once you're confident and you have it where you need it, go ahead and press down lightly. Next to step 2, you're not going to peel this off, but yet you're going to go ahead and take it and pull it to the middle of the device. And this way you're going to use your card and just let it glide onto the screen. With step 3, you're going to do the exact same thing. Use your card and it will go on nice and smoothly. Now there's nothing more but to do step 4, and that's simply just peel off, and voila! The screen protector is on. You can barely tell that it's on, but it's there.
Spectacular Gadgets.
Testing out the fingerprint sensor, as you see, you do not have any issues getting into that. It works every time like it should. I'm much happier with the UniqueMe screen protector over the tempered glass screen protector for this obvious reason. Also be sure to put a screen protector on the second screen as well. So here is the installation of the camera tempered glass screen protector. So it's very easy. This is pretty much just like pulling a sticker off. Next, all you're going to want to do is line up the cutouts with the camera lens and flash on the back of the device. Then go ahead and press down just to make sure that it's sticking, and there you go. Here I want to show you that the camera protection doesn't leave any kind of haze on your photos. It's nice and clear as if you did not have it on. See? So there you have it, the UniqueMe screen protector for the LG Wing. Now this was a little different because the installation was a more 4-step process than what I'm used to, but in the end it turned out well, did not have any bubbles, and I can go ahead and use the fingerprint sensor. I would totally recommend this screen protector, especially if you're into the TPU type screen protectors. And please make sure that you follow the installation because you don't want to mess it up. But if you do, they give you another one. So that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.